How to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so just click and hold side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset while network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin. Click on continue. Again tap on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.